Hello, welcome to the Doc Shop Practice Profile. This time we're featuring Central Dental Care in Jefferson City, Missouri. When you log on to the website drgrunstrom.com, you'll learn that Dr. Talva Grunstrom Jost has been serving the families of Jefferson City and the Cole County area for more than 20 years. Dr. Grunstrom Jost believes in an educational approach to dentistry. She emphasizes the importance of regular checkups, cleanings, and daily maintenance. To help anyone achieve a great smile, she offers a complete range of procedures employing the latest dental technology and techniques in both general and cosmetic dentistry. Dental implants are one example of the many cosmetic procedures offered at Central Dental Care. Implants replace damaged or missing teeth without the discomfort and maintenance of denture. Implants are artificial tooth roots placed in the jawbone that function as a foundation for permanent replacement teeth or bridges. Dr. Grunstrom Jost is an expert in dental implants, having studied extensively at the Misch Institute, a leading teaching center for implant dentistry. She has earned a fellowship in the International Congress of Oral Implantology. To see the dramatic results Dr. Grunstrom Jost achieves throughout her personalized smile designs, be sure to click on the photo gallery. It includes before and after examples of teeth whitening and veneers, crowns, implants, and other techniques. Dr. Grunstrom Jost and her staff at Central Dental Care help people of all ages. Plus, she provides plenty of payment options to assure that quality dentistry is affordable for all of her patients. To schedule your appointment, call the number on your screen, or for more information, log on to drgrunstrom.com. I'm Doc Shop Cindy Latch, connecting you with trusted doctors.